And herein lies a paradox. If we lived only as we did in 1491, we would die. Because the world is not the world that was there in 1491. Because there's no way to live as we did in 1491 and throw all of the other people and all of their stuff and chemicals and pollution and big cities out of the space. We have to navigate all the crap, right? And so we have to be realistic about where we are and how do we move forward. The tools that each generation needs will be different from the ones that the previous one needed and different from the ones that future ones need. And at the same time, we still need everything they had in 1491 because it will pay dividends in so many different ways.